Paying your credit card bill on the Bank of America app is quick and easy. Let me show you how to do it step by step. First, open the Bank of America app on your mobile device and log in with your user ID and password. Once you're on the home page, look for the Bill Pay tab, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Tap it. If this is your first time using Bill Pay, you'll need to enroll. Tap Enroll, read the terms and conditions, and then tap I agree in the bottom right corner. Now you'll be prompted to add an account that you want to pay from. Enter your routing number and account number for your checking or savings account. After entering your info, tap Next. You'll receive a confirmation that your payment account was successfully added. Tap Done to proceed. Now you can select your credit card from the list of accounts. Tap it, then enter the payment amount you'd like to send. Next, choose your payment frequency, whether it's a one-time payment or recurring monthly. Once everything looks correct, tap the Pay button in the bottom right corner to submit your payment. You'll get a confirmation screen and possibly an email notification letting you know your payment has been scheduled. And that's it! You've now paid your credit card bill using the Bank of America app. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and follow for more easy finance tutorials like this one.